Oh my gosh!
Why the hell are you two running in the house like that?
Yeah, what happened, Timmy?
Okay, so me and Greg were wandering in the woods, and we see a house. A really old house. And then we go inside, and we see a guy wearing a mask, chopping up bodies. And then he saw us and started chasing us. And I think he followed us all the way home.
I don't believe any of it. What the hell is that?
I forgot to mention, the guy had a chainsaw.
Here we go again.
That's the guy.
What's going on in here?
We are in trouble.
Holy moly! Our neighbor!
Holy guacamole! He's gutting him like a fish! Oh, Ow, my ears! Dang, Mom, you could've gave me a warning.
Sorry, honey. It was an automatic reaction.
Guys, I think Billy fainted.
Who cares about Billy? I'm calling the cops. That freak with the chainsaw knows where we live now.
Timmy, you and your friend go hide the neighbor's body in the basement. We don't need the cops showing up thinking we had something to do with it.
And then our neighbor walked in and the freak started gutting him with the chainsaw.
Oh no! Hold up! Did you scream like a girl?
Is that really important?
To me it is, Big Chin! So answer the question or I'm taking you downtown!
Okay, yeah, I screamed like a girl.
I knew it!
Officer, is there anything you can do to help us?
He's back!
Oh no! Oh no! Shut up!
Wait, I don't hear the chainsaw anymore. Did he go away?
Maybe.
Maybe his mom called him to come home for dinner. Maybe he didn't want dinner.
Okay, everyone calm down. I'm Officer Bubba, so everything will be okay. You put that weapon down!
Let's go, Officer Bubba!
What the hell?
Honey, go fight him. Me? Okay.
Let's go, Papa Big Chin! Papa Big Chin!
Ah, my face!
Will you quit complaining about your Big Chin face and get up? Yeah, get up, Big Chin.
Why don't you go do something, big mouth?
You know what? I will.
Timmy, I don't think that's a good idea.
Mom, they don't call me Mr. Miyagi for nothing. Karate chop that freak, Timmy! Looks like your baby chainsaw doesn't work anymore. Oh, crap! That's what I'm talking about, Timmy! Time to say goodbye, freak!
Brutality.
Sorry. Timmy!
I knew that was gonna happen to you.
You be quiet! It's Ghostface!
I wanna play a game.
What do you think of that,
Of course he hurt his hand! Yo, Doofus, watch out! Ah,
You okay, honey?
Quit playing around and show that freak who's the real Captain Crunch serial killer!
Hey, he took my knife.
Why was he running like that?
Well, at least the freak is gone.
I'm gonna keep his baby chainsaw.
Get away from me!
Dang, bruh!
Yeah, that's why you don't like a girl, Big Chin.
Next time I'm sleeping, don't crawl on my face.
Dad, don't be mad at Cheeto. He was just trying to cuddle. Yeah, Big Ginormous Chin. I just wanted to cuddle.
Do I look like someone who wants to cuddle with a diseased, mutated, rabies-infested rat?
Yeah, you do.
Just leave me alone.
Hey, Dad, look at me. Do I remind you of anyone?
Don't remind me. What are you doing?
Timmy, you're gonna hurt your dad by accident, so can you please stop?
Fine.
Tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar. Sky is turning gray.
Hey, Papa Big Chin, you need a new haircut.
Shut up. Now quiet down. I'm about to listen to the news.
Breaking news! A man with a mask and a chainsaw is terrorizing your neighborhood. Now everyone scream!
Sorry. You remind me of a Teletubby.
That freak is coming back.
Well, let him come back. I got something else for him.
Ooh, let's go, Mom!
Okay, where's that freak with the chainsaw?
Baby Trevor, I like your hair.
Where's my hat?
Debbie, you heard about the freak with the chainsaw?
I sure did. I was listening to the news on the radio while eating my buffalo chicken sandwich.
That freak with the chainsaw was here already, but Timmy's older brother shot him, so he ran away. He's super dangerous.
Zip it, Greg. Mama came prepared.
Well, at least Debbie brought extra firepower. What the?
What the hell?
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go, Mom! Mom!
Oh, snap! Shut your mouth, SpongeBob! And I'm gonna see you in hell! Ugh.
Dad! I mean, Mom!
That's what you get for taking my knife.
Oh no, bro!
Now hold on. I'm on the floor. This isn't a fair fight.
Ow!
Oh my gosh! What the hell? Stop in the name of cheese! Yeah! Cheeto! Cheeto! Mikey!
Billy said Mikey rise!
Yeah, I heard. The whole neighborhood heard, you troll.
Yeah, you son of a bushka. Mikey, get him!
Aw, here he goes!
Damn! Honey, you're awake.
Good job, Mikey. Weasel.
He picked up his chainsaw!
Holy bushka!
Oh, cover your eyes, Timmy. Don't watch.
Oh, I'm watching!
Thanks, Mikey. Even for me, that's one scary son of a bushka. What's up, old friend? Well, goodbye to you too.
Is he dead? Yeah, he dead. Look at this meatball.
Well, looks like Mikey saved the day. My knife!
Okay, everyone freeze! It's you!
Not again!
He's getting away!
Timmy, go drag that body and put it in the basement.
What the hell?
He's gone!
Living in a world of Western art, tearing out the stitches of a deep-seated scar. Sky is turning gray, the sun is turning red.
Did anyone see that?
See what, honey?
I don't know. I must be seeing things.
Of course Papa Big Chin's seeing things. You must be drunk.
I'm not drunk, you moron.
Come on, let's not fight. Let's be happy we destroyed Albert.
Is that a note in the pocket? If you're reading this, I am already dead. Luke and Lucy will not destroy the world. It was all a lie. But I left behind a surprise.
A surprise? What surprise?
I don't know. Maybe he left us a free trip to Disneyland.
No, honey, I don't think so.
Rats!
Guys, I think I see the surprise.
Tonight. Beat that. Luke! Who are you?
Okay, what the hell just happened?
Luke is gone.
I thought it was over.
So it looks like that crazy scientist guy, Albert, left us one last problem before he passed away.
This doesn't make sense. Why is Albert trying so hard to get rid of Luke and I?
Well, Albert was the one who created you two, right?
Yeah, but he was the one who put us in the orphanage. So why would he get rid of us and then want us back just to destroy us? But Luke actually got destroyed. Billy, you have prototype summoning powers. Do you think you can summon Luke?
I can try. Hold this, Gonzo. It didn't work.
Great. You see, you're useless now, Billy.
It's not Billy's fault. Prototype can only summon fallen androids. So that means Luke is still alive.
Lucy is right.
So then where is Luke? Where am I? What is that? It's coming down. Who are you?
I am the reason for your creation.
Luke, where are you?
Will you quit crying?
You want to get thrown out the window?
That thing is back.
what you did to Luke, but you're going down.
Over here, creep.
What do you mean you're the reason Lucy and I were created?
I made Albert create Android 1 and 2 to take over the Earth.
But I thought Lucy and I weren't gonna destroy the Earth.
Destroy and take over are not the same. You belong to me now.
Mom! How dare you throw my mom out the window? I'm sorry, I don't speak ugly monster language. Who said that?
Good job, Big Lips. You pissed him off even more.
Debbie Babushka!
Sorry I was late to the party. Are you the new babysitter? Debbie, that's not a babysitter. You shut it, Tinky Winky. There can only be one babysitter, and that's me. Have a nice trip to hell.
Holy crap!
Rebola gostoso, chacoalhando essa bunda. Ela bate, bate, bate.
Looks like I got rid of the new babysitter.
It wasn't a babysitter.
What the hell? Dumpling, you're hurt. I'm fine. Nonsense. Don't you worry. I will take you to the hospital. I said I'm fine. I'm gonna take your daddy to the hospital. I'll be back later. Come on, baby Trevor.
Debbie's one scary guy.
I wonder what else this thing can do. Whoa! Be careful with that, Timmy. Now, the next time I catch you in my house playing dress up, I'm gonna give you a good old-fashioned granny whooping.
Sorry, Grandma.
Mom, what are you doing here? What's going on? Well, I kept receiving phone calls with someone saying, I want to play a game. And then I find this cucaracha hiding behind the couch making the phone calls.
I was just playing a game.
What an idiot! Why would you do that to Grandma, bro?
What the hell, Luke?
Luke, you're back. But what's wrong? Luke, honey, what is the meaning of this?
I'm not Luke.
It's showtime.
It's my perfect victory! That's right!
What's wrong with you, Luke?
one, fight! Brutality.
Casper, go easy on Luke! What the hell? You see what happens when you play around?
Oh, sorry. Now, Luke, you're my friend, remember?
Finish him! Fatality.
Luke, I don't want to fight you. Why are you doing this? Lucy, I can't control
Myself.
Billy summoned Mama. Mama.
Luke, I am your mother.
I have no mother.
Don't hurt Luke.
Mom!
I feel normal. Mama turned Luke back to normal. Good job, Billy.
Thanks.
Nerd.
Guys, there's another evil monster, and he was controlling me. But he's in another world. So what do we do now? I don't know. But I'm sure that monster that was controlling me is gonna come for us. Well, I'm sure we're gonna destroy it.
That's it, honey. Let's think positive.
Amanda, look out! Luke! Ow!
You know you didn't have to bring me to the hospital. I could have brought myself. What the hell are you doing with that?
Shut up, baby Trevor. We're stuck in traffic, and we gotta get to your house quick. This should help. Get out the way!
You saved us again, Billy, by summoning Jason. Yeah, Billy, good job.
Well, it's what I do.
Oh, brother.
Lucy, get up! Oh no, What is that? Who in the chimichanga is that? It's him, the one that was mind controlling me.
Oh.
Now,
Hello, Sydney.
My name is Nemesis.
of course he gets launched.
Of course.
Nemesis. That's his name. What the hell are you smiling at, Billy? He's getting up. Lucy! Catch! Luke!
No. I'm too late.
Timmy? How?
Aren't you gonna scream like a girl?
Who is that?
Where'd they go?
Wait.
Oh, good lord. I'm still alive.
You okay, Mom?
Of course I'm okay. Now what in tarnations is going on? Mom, there was another evil monster trying to destroy Luke and I. But I think Timmy saved us.
Where is Timmy?
Timmy? Whoa. That was awesome! Timmy, how did you do that? And what happened to Nemesis? Well, Luke, this hand transformed me into a super robot. And me being the cool guy, I destroyed Nemesis, along with his planet. Great, so it's over.
Good job, honey.
Get out the way, cow eyes! Looks like everything's under control. Nice.
Worst day of my life. Is everything okay here?
Yeah, Papa Big Chin. I defeated Nemesis. With Billy's help.